Hello and welcome to FX for a Living. My name is David Aranzabal. Today is March 17th, 2009. This is your daily London session video, the review that happened in the start of the European session. Okay, today we've got a really good start of the session with a lot of opportunities for profiting in the markets at that time frame. Okay, let's go to the 60-minute charts. And we can see euro for the last days is in an upside move. It has been in an upside move, but we can see a resistance level in the 50s area, 2950. So well, actually this vertical green line is the weekend gap. Okay, it didn't gap too much lower, but just 10-20 pips, and actually the move was downwards for just 3 hours and start to recover in the ASEAN session. At this point, this is 7 o'clock GMT. I was expecting a little bit of resistance in this area, but it didn't take place, and it wasn't a fake move. It was all the way up till the 30 and almost 31 area. Okay, let's see how we could profit at the start of the European session. Let's go to the 5-minute charts, and we are gonna draw the resistance and the support of the ASEAN session. How do we manage that? Okay, the resistance of the ASEAN session is gonna be the high of the ASEAN session from 12 to 7 o'clock GMT. And actually this happened just 10 minutes, 15 minutes before the European start. And the ASEAN support is the low of the ASEAN session, and this took place at 10:30. Usually I consider the low between midnight and 7 o'clock GMT, but considering we got a weekend opening, I've got this low, the most recent swing low. Right, so if we've got a range of almost 100 pips, and this area, the 2950, let's go to the 60-minute charts, is the area we have seen before with a lot of magnet area for resistance. We have seen 1, 2, 3, 4, almost 5 times in a row how the resistance worked properly. But it didn't happen today, and the price went all the way up. Okay, another thing we have to do for trading properly at the start of the European session is to make sure we have drawn vertical lines at 7 o'clock GMT and at 8 o'clock GMT, because at these times usually we get either a continuation pattern or a reversal pattern, so we have to be very careful about that. Let's go to the 1-minute chart, because it's where we can see with better clarity how the price action work. Okay, let's zoom in a little bit, and we can see the price. It was making higher highs and lower highs just 1 hour before the European start. This vertical line is 7 o'clock GMT, Frankfurt open, and the price broke the previous swing high. I usually enter in all the breakouts at this time, but with the following money management strategy. I go with 2 lots, I close the first one very fast, and I let the other one run. So that's what I did this morning. I put an entry order right here at 34. My order was filled, and I closed half of the position at this area at about 8, 9, 10 pips profit. Alright, so I made partial profit taking, and I let the other one running. I put the stop of the runner just below this swing low, so it wasn't taken, and the price, the lot, it kept running. Actually, I enter with another position at the break of this trend line, because we can see here that we've got a retracement after this upside move. Alright, and when the price breaks the trend line of the retracement, we've got a clear entry point. Actually, I didn't enter just at the break of the trend line. I wait till the price broke. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. When the price reached this previous high over here. So it was like a filter for the position. Alright, the trend line breaks, but I wait for confirmation. So I enter with another lot, and I did about the same, partial profit taking. Actually, I closed, I think it was 30% of my positions at plus 10 pips, and I let the other one running. So at this point I was with two lots runners, one at this area and one at this area, and the price keep running and keep running. I was very carefully at this level, because we can see in the 60-minute charts that it has been the resistance level we talked before. And I close one of the runners at this level, and I let the other one running. And the price, it keep making higher lows and higher highs, so it was a really good definition of a trend line. We can zoom into the 5-minute charts that the price, it was just keep going up and up, and this vertical yellow line is news time. It was CPI Eurozone news. So actually I closed half of the position of the runner, because at this time, at news time, you never know what's going to happen. So you are just gambling if you are entered before the market. So I decided to close half of the position just in case the price, it could go against me. But hopefully it was on the flow, because the CPI, it was a little bit higher than expected. There was a little bit of the deviation. Alright, and the price broke the 30 level. This is a very psychological level, because it's got 000. Every time you get 000, it's an area where the price can go and go back. But here the price, the resistance, it was really good violated, and it keeps going all the way up. So it was a really good start of the session, really good for profiting opportunities. I actually made 10-20 pips in the first two lots, and about 100 pips in the runner. So it was a really good session for today, and it was even much better in cable, because we can see in cable that just, sorry, let me zoom in. Okay, it's gonna take place, it's gonna take time. We can see in cable that the price made more or less the same pattern than in euro, but it reached the 42 level from the 40 level in the Asian session. So it was a 200 pip moves, very fast, very quickly. Okay, I hope you find this video helpful. I'll catch you up tomorrow, folks. Have a great day.